Bluetooth isn't starting and you're getting a graphics related error, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you a reliable fix using a built-in Bluestack tool plus a bonus method in case the first one doesn't work. Let's jump right in. So method 1, create a fresh virtual environment. One of the easiest way to fix this issue is by creating a new virtual instance inside Bluestacks. So on your PC, open the Bluestack multi-instance manager. You can search for it from the start menu. Once it's open, click create new instance or instance at the bottom. Choose fresh instance, then select your preferred Android version. If you are using a 64-bit version of Windows, go with Nougat 64-bit. It's the most stable. For CPU cores, select the maximum available. For memory RAM, choose high or enhanced if that option appears. Now click download and wait for the setup to complete. Once it's ready, start and next to the new instance. This new instance usually works perfectly, especially if your default one was showing graphic errors. So if you are still getting the error, here's another trick to try. Even if Bluestack doesn't open, you can still use the multi-instance manager. Next to the instance that's giving you trouble, click the gear icon to open settings. Under the graphics section, switch between OpenGL and DirectX. Also try increasing the CPU cores and RAM for better performance. Once done, click save and try launching it again. If it still doesn't work, no worries. Just delete that instance and create a new one with different settings. A clean setup often fixes the problem, especially if it's caused by GPU compatibility issues. And that's it. 2 simple methods to fix Bluestack graphic errors and get your emulator running smoothly again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss further tech guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.